Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to unlock phone with face recognition on Android phone. Okay, first of all, you can go to your settings application on your Android phone. Then if you want to unlock phone with face recognition, you have to activate the face recognition feature on your Android phone. You can go to biometrics and security to activate it. Just tap on the setting and just wait for a moment. Okay, and here you can activate your face recognition feature. You can tap on this face recognition option. Okay, then here you can click on continue. Okay, then you can register your face. You have to wait until the process completed. Okay, and now my face has been registered. Then after that, we can click on done. And after this face recognition has been activated, you will be able to unlock your phone with face recognition. Alright guys, and that's how we can unlock phone with face recognition on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.